Hello, guys. Welcome back to the No Capping channel. On this channel, we only discuss pretty girls and a big bank account. So, first, we're going to start with the girl of the day. She's giving yoga lessons. You got her IG. Just take your time to enjoy it. And then, for the tip of the day, the financial tip. Every time you go into a yard sale, you always think about buying things for yourself. But as a nice side hustle, what you can do, that is look on eBay, watch the product and look it on eBay how much it costs. And once you know that, you know how much profit you're gonna make. That's better than just buying it for yourself. This time you're buying it and you can make a little profit of it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. No capping.